Hi friends, I'm Shonda. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. We're set up a little bit differently today. I know it's not the cutest, but we're only going to be here for about a minute. I got a new desk and it's in a new space. I guess maybe I could do like a little tour so you can see the area. It's where I'm currently facing, where the low buy bingo board is or was, not there anymore. So in today's video, we are going to be putting all of my makeup into my desk. I'm so excited about that. I'm so excited to organize it, have a cute little organizing moment. We're going to figure out the layout. We're going to do all of that. The goal is to put 100% of my makeup in there, including my brushes. We'll see if that's how it will shake out in reality, but that's the goal at least. And I'm sure we will iterate somewhere down the line. This is like, the trial. So hopefully this video is relaxing, kind of that comforting aesthetic, maybe a little ASMR we'll have to see, but come along with me as I organize my stuff. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, here is the setup. This is it's like the Alex desk. It's a much bigger, it's like a full 10 inches bigger than my other desk, almost. And there's big ass drawers. That bin used to be beside my other desk. We just moved it all here beside my bookcase. And that's the setup for now. Like, we just did it, so need some time to figure it out, how to make it all cute. But at least, like, look at the surface of my desk. There's nothing there, which is great. My other desk used to be so freaking cluttered, and now we just have basically a clear surface, which is awesome. So now let's get into the video. Okay, so let's take a look at the desk. Dun, dun, dun. So here's the layout as you saw me put together. And I've done my makeup 2 times since doing this. So we have a little knowledge now. I have my little, like, I don't know, not like a rag, but a little cloth, like if I need to like wipe my fingers or something, or clean up a product during my makeup application. We have like this little space, so we just have this here for now. At the front, I have all my lipsticks or like lip products that are, what I'm currently using, and some my lip liners that I'm currently using there too. The thought process behind this was to put like my most used reached for products at the beginning, like at the front. I know I can't like fully reach back here, but I actually used a palette from back here yesterday and it wasn't too hard to take it out. I'm just like a little concerned about getting back there, like forgetting what is back there. But hopefully with like regular rotation, I can figure it out. The other option would be to slide this big box forward. Just take this out. And have this at front and have this be like my everyday makeup basket with my everyday products. I don't think I love that. Or maybe like having this one and this one as the everyday products and have them like, completely forward. But we'll see. I'm sure I can, like, this is exciting to me because I can try that out now if I want to. And I can iterate as much as I want. So this stuff here is like, we have the primers there, and then this is what's currently in the project pan. So I can still like reach it because it's at the front. We have foundations and concealers here. This is just here because this is kind of like eye stuff. So we have single shadows here, and then mascara, brow liner, that kind of thing there. This is blush, and then like my 1 highlighter or 2 highlighters. This is the other powder product, so bronzer, and then like all these powders, and then back here is just eyeshadow palettes. It's not cute. I was using this yesterday, and I think I kind of screwed up putting it back. But there we go. Random lipstick there, I guess. Back here is just miscellaneous. Like, it's mostly blush, but not all blush. Yeah, okay, so blush, 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 bronzer, random lipstick, bronzer. And then in this side, we have the brushes here. I don't know that I love this. It would give me more space if I took it out and put the brushes like on a, like a, what do you call it? Like a holder. I could, of course, do that, but we'll see. Like, it's not so bad for now. And then this is like not as exciting. The only problem I'm experiencing so far is just like having to open the drawer every time I want to use something. So like I'll just take out a couple of products at a time and then put them back and take out the next couple. Not a big deal, but if I were to use, let's say, like a couple of drawers, a couple of these right at the beginning, I could just like take them out, do my makeup, put them back in. But we'll see. So this is it. This is everything. Thanks for coming along and organizing my desk with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, sorry, we're being men. We're like doing stuff in here. Sorry about the background. Thanks for hanging out. And I hope to see you again around here soon. Bye.